let's delve into the course outline, some of the units that are involved, and also some of the reasoning behind the units being in there as well.
Okay, so what I want us to do is I want us to think about we're sitting in a business and it's our job to actually be the bookkeeper or be the accountant for the business. So each one of the units that are in the course are literally relate to a different aspect of that role, sitting in that chair doing that job. Every week, month, some businesses create day-end reports, for example. We look at sales reports. There's so many different types of reports that we can create. So we look at sales reports. We might do an inventory report for reordering inventory. Then we have our weekly and our monthly reports. So we produce a profit and loss and a balance sheet and a trial balance and so on and so forth, and then quarterly or monthly, depending on the business. We'd lodge our business activity statement with the ATO, and we do our single touch payroll reporting as well, and we do that monthly. So there's a whole range of reports that we generate monthly. So we look at financial reports. Cloud computing, as I mentioned before, we look at a range of different software options and how to actually choose the right software for the right business. So for example, if we're a pharmacy, we'll want software that actually has a really robust inventory in it. Whereas if we're a retail shop, we'll want to know that we can actually scan products and we actually have a product catalogue, for example. We also look at administering accounts and ledgers because that's where all of our accounting information is stored, all of the information about our transactions, so on and so forth. So you can see by the actual course outline that we've got here on the screen that we look at each one of the units that are in the course is actually about a specific action that we take as part of an accounting and bookkeeping role in either a small business, a medium business, or working in a practice. And we look at it from a number of different contexts. So students actually gain familiarity and a really great depth of knowledge about working in their own industry and working in different contexts in their industry.
Excellent, thank you very much. Now, I'd just back to the previous slide, and we also just touched on it here as well with respect to bookkeeping systems and packages. We use the MyOB accounting package throughout the course. What requirements are there for students with respect to the package that they need to obtain? And is there a charge attached to that?
Okay, so what we actually do with this course is we provide students with the student version of MYOB. And that software that we provide to the students is free of charge. So there's no additional charge for software. Students, of course, once they exit the course, can go ahead and arrange their own subscriptions or their own full versions that they can load onto their computer. But there is no requirement to purchase additional software. And the student version of the software also includes payroll and the full capability of reporting for MyOB. And we're able to take students all the way through the steps, for example, for single touch payroll reporting, as well as BAS lodgement as well, using that software.